Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have here my secondhand Supia double jointed body. So let's begin. And here it is, the original Supia doll box. This isn't necessarily my grail body, but it's quite up there. I actually love the sculpting of Supia doll. Oh, and she came intact. I'm, I'm surprised her hands and her fingers didn't break off without the bubble wrap. Oh, and, and here's the certificate. Yeah, I just love Supia dolls sculpts, especially like their breasts. Like, it looks very natural. And I really like that about them. She is a bit wobbly right now, which I don't mind. I can fix that later. Oh. Alright, I'm back, and I sprayed a bit of MSC on the body, which I usually do with like all my resin bodies and heads when I get them. And this was originally, I got this body to like give Evelynn a new body, which she's been through 3 so far, and I think this one suits her the best. And her head is actually an Impel Tedelia head? I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled with T and then Delia, which I'm gonna assume that's Tedelia. I think I'm actually quite pleased with her current shell so far. Yeah, I put some clothes on her so I don't get flagged for like nudity. And I think it's quite close fit. Her head is still slightly darker than the Supia normal skin, but it's not too bad. I'm quite pleased with it either way. And her head still has quite a bit of mobility, even though this neck is a little bit, maybe like 0.5 centimeters thicker than the Impel doll body, which it still has good range of motion. It's actually a lot better than most of the dolls I have. Alright, that concludes my video. Like and subscribe.